More hot in this forecast. Going to get there early, stay there till late, and we could be up into record territory again. We've already tied or set 5 records this month. 6 or more, a good bet. Now, as far as the futurecast goes, can we find any showers? What our area so desperately needs? I don't love our chances today or the next couple of days. It's the same situation with a ridge of high pressure extending from the Atlantic coast to the Gulf Coast, and it's going to make it hard to get any showers going. We are noticing a little different wind direction with a little more south component to it, and that's making things a little warmer and more muggy this morning. Valdosta, we're at 70, Thomasville 72, Tallahassee's at 75. Now it's still 66 at Blakely or 68 in Cross City, but instead of having most numbers in the 60s this morning we have most numbers up over 70. Now, as far as the overall setup goes, that ridge holding fast across the southeast. Next boundary, going to have a real tough time getting here. So not much change expected over the next several days. And that means a lot more hot coming our way, probably to round out this week and into the early part of next week. So that means for the leftovers of the month. Now, out here is whatever's left of Jerry, post-tropical storm. Now, losing those tropical characteristics, no big deal. A little further south, this is Karen. A little harder to find that center, emerging north of Puerto Rico. Where it goes from here, how it's able to develop from here, could be important down the road a piece. We've got a lot of time to watch this one. Winds are at 45 miles per hour right now. All the indications are the motion is going to be north and even northeast for a while before that loop-de-loop. Once that happens, if the storm is able to hold together, and that's not a slam dunk, then we'll start to worry about where it could go from there if it ever gets to that point, and I'm still not convinced it's going to. Now, as far as Lorenzo goes, this is a big, powerful hurricane, likely going to get to major hurricane strength, but taking that very favorable path over those open waters of the Atlantic, not near any land. It's a very big storm already and going to keep getting bigger and stronger for a while. And then over here near Cancun, we've got some energy that's got some potential for development. Small potential, and nothing that's going to happen right away, but definitely things in the Gulf we keep our eyes on a little extra carefully. On the Gulf waters close to home, winds start west, turn onshore 5 to 15. Should be a pretty good day for the boaters. We'll wrap up the low tides before 8 o'clock this morning. 60s and 70s becoming 80s and 90s quickly today. It will be hot for a while and a little bit more muggy. Record high for today is 96. We got there yesterday. We should probably get awfully close again today. Over the next few days, more mid-90s. Boy, do we need some showers. But guys, I don't love our chances.